These wig companies are making it way too easy for you ladies. This is a 13x6 glueless wig pre everything. Keep watching, I'll show you how easy this was to install. Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is the channel for you, so make sure you are subscribed so that you can keep vibing with your girl. OQ hair never disappoints. I repeat, OQ hair never disappoints. At least they haven't disappointed me yet, girl. Let's get into it. This is a 13x6 pre everything wig, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-everything. It comes pre-curled too. You can put this baby on straight out of the box, which I did. It comes with one comb on the back and that adjustable strap that we all love for that snug fit. Girl, when I tell you I put this on straight out of the box, I literally did. Now, I used a spray for a little hold, but you could have just used the tape for the ear tabs and you would have been good to go. It does come with a removable strap with the piano keys for that grip for the back of the neck, for that extra security. That lace, look at that lace. Never disappoints. It just melts so beautifully. Look at them curls, that Burmese curls, girl. Curls for the girls. Look at the ends, the twirly ends. So satisfying. Look at a closer look. Look at that. Gorgeous. When I tell you I didn't do anything to these curls, I was in a hurry. It was Thanksgiving Day when I installed this beauty. And I figured the curls are so gorgeous. Just fluff them out and go, which I did. Now, I'm gonna do a part 2 of me wetting the hair and showing you how the curls pop out after brushing it out and all of that. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. Now we're gonna install her by pulling the string, and then I'm gonna use my Kiss Lace Bond Spray for that extra hold. You can wear this hair glueless without any spray. You can just use the tape for the ear tabs to hold it tight, and that's it, because that lace is so immaculate. Now, why did I use a spray? Well, I didn't have time to mess around with the tape. I was trying to hurry. So Kiss Lace Bond Spray is always my go-to when I'm trying to just snatch the wig on and get out the door. So that's what I did. After applying the lace, you want to hold it down for as long as you can, just to make sure that that adhesive spray grips the lace, and it will. Kiss Lace Bond Spray does not play. Before even tying it down to melt it, that lace ran off. at this point, it's my hair. I just love that, don't you? Now I'm gonna go in with my sticky little secret melting spray because I am extra. It was Thanksgiving Day and I wanted to be extra. Everything I use, including this gorgeous, gorgeous wig, will be in the description box below. Now, after drying it out, we're gonna tie her down for a few minutes while we fluff out these gorgeous, gorgeous curls. And look at the twirly ends. I cannot. They are so cute. They're so cute. Look at them. I know you're looking at them. They're so cute. Look. 26 inches of lovely Burmese curly goodness. Now, all we're gonna do is fluff it out with our hands, and the hair is so soft. Like, I'd rather run my fingers through it instead of a comb because it's so soft. And I repeat, so soft. The hair is 220% density. And it's definitely given that. And you can part it anywhere. You can part it anywhere in the front. You can part it anywhere in the front. And she is gorgeous. I'm pretty much ready to go. I am ready to go. I'm just waiting on the lace while my husband and my kids were waiting on me so we could go eat. But that's it. This is the insole. Okay, everything else is in extra. Look at that lace melt. Now we're going to comb out the edges because we don't want it to be caked down. You don't need any caked down edges. Let's not do that. And look at this beauty. You tell me what you think of this beauty. The bounce in the hair is everything. The hair has life. It has bounce. It has movement. It has fullness. Girl, I love this wig and so will you. Click the link below in the description box. And if you've made it this far, I truly appreciate you, queen. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.